Hi, and welcome back to the Senior Network. Now I am joined by my friend and co-worker, good friend, Nona Story, who's the broker in charge at the Cypress of Hilton Head. Welcome.
Hi, good
and
to see you.
happy spring.
I know,
Oh,
finally.
I know, so good to see you. And we just had a wonderful open house.
Yeah.
I want to talk about some of the takeaways from the open house. I don't know what your thoughts were. As a reminder to everyone who's watching, the Cypress is a life plan community. We just had a open house and it was open to the public, and we had about 17 different model types on tour. And and I must thank our members for opening up their homes and showing their the interiors of their homes.
Well, and the folks that attend the open house love talking to the members.
Don't they though?
There's nothing better.
But why don't you tell me what your thoughts are about the open house and the
a couple of things. You know, we had great representation of the apartments, the villas, the golf cottages, and the bay club. So there's really nothing left to the imagination, so to speak. So I think people were really excited to be able to get into all the different types of home styles that we offer. That's one. I like the fact that, honestly, our attendees are so much younger, but well qualified, very interested. I love that, you know.
They're planners.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so that's really fun. But also, even the apartments and villas have, the members who have purchased them have made it their own. And they have open kitchens now. I mean, nothing that we thought of back in 1992 when we built the Cypress, right? But it's just so fun to see people coming in, they buy their home, and then they do whatever it is that they want to live in.
To personalize.
Yeah, and they're very personalized, but they're very open and just using really good finishes and whatnot.
And the unique business model of the Cypress is that it is an equity model. You own your home.
Right.
So when you make those personal touches and customize and these upgrades, well, it benefits the asset. It benefits the market value of the home.
Yeah.
I heard that too. I heard a lot about the folks going into the cottages, like you said, the Bay Club homes and our golf cottages, how wonderful it was that people were able to take down walls, open up kitchens, remodel bathrooms from 1992 with doorless showers and imported tile and beautiful. Hardwood, a lot of hardwood floors, or the LVP that a lot of people are. But this doesn't. But all those changes don't come easily. We help our members through the process. You want to talk about Tammy and Perry about what they do for our folks?
Right. Tammy Malden is our move-in coordinator, and so anyone who is purchasing at the Cypress meets with her. Perry is our refurb fella, and the two of them are such a great team together. And so you meet with them and then talk about any changes that you'd like to make, and they wave their magic wand to make it happen. Right. And it's a great process. You know, most people are closing and then probably taking a month, 2 months, maybe even 3
months
to accomplish, you know, the things that they want
depending on what they're doing.
Yeah, but I do want to say that it's not just the cottages and the Bay Club. Now we're seeing the apartments, you know, they're still built, and yet the kitchens are being opened up, and I love seeing that. I really do, because you're not just limited to a standalone home.
Right.
To make those changes.
Yeah, and like you said, Tammy and Perry are so well educated, and they've seen everything and can really handhold our folks through the process. At the same time, or maybe even prior to even looking at these homes, we have everything inspected. Yes. So we know even before we go in, does the roof need to be replaced?
A heating and air system, hot water heater. You know, just all those things that people are concerned about, but the Cypress is responsible for them.
We are definitely responsible for taking away the uncertainty of the homes that these folks are purchasing.
Yeah.
And so we try to keep it as seamless as possible.
Yeah,
When they
it's
move
good.
in, they're happy members from the get-go.
And it works.
It does work. They keep on working.
Yeah.
Well, it's so good to see you, and thanks
too.
again. And thank you for watching the Senior Network.